Nearly 85 lakh students graduate every year in India and enter the active workforce. However, to sustain in this competitive world, they must have skills that make them industry ready. Despite the outbreak of COVID 19, numerous organizations are still hiring freshers who are digitally equipped in new age technologies. I am Lakshmi Mitra, VP and Head of Clover Academy, which is a knowledge arm of Clover Infotech, and today I'll be talking about the 5 technology skill sets that the Indian youth needs to master in 2021 to become future ready. We'll start with the first skill set, which is cyber security. Cyber attacks are on the rise. Even though we majorly get to hear about the attacks on large organizations, all organizations with an online presence, irrespective of their size, are prone to attacks. One of the key challenges of the industry is the lack of expertise in the field of cyber security, which is why the cyber security related jobs are in high demand and will continue to be so. The key roles in cyber security include information security analyst, vulnerability analyst, security software developer, and security architect, to name a few. Talking about the second skill set, this is artificial intelligence and machine learning. In today's emerging world of technology, artificial intelligence and machine learning play a very crucial role. Both AI and ML will expand their footprints in various sectors, including military, defense, agriculture, automotive, education, medical, construction, to name a few. Industry leaders are actively looking for AI experts skilled in proficiencies such as deep learning and natural language processing. Talking about the third skill set, which is data analytics and data science, in this digital era, data analytics related roles have become the most rewarding ones. The top sectors hiring for talent in analytics are IT, ITES, BFSI, energy, pharma, and healthcare. Their demand for data scientists, data analysts, data engineer, and business intelligence developers is huge. The fourth skill set is cloud computing. As companies move away from traditional server infrastructure to cloud solutions, the demand for IT professionals skilled in this area is rising steeply. As most technologies are based on this concept, organizations around the globe are looking for candidates who have knowledge or experience in cloud computing. The fifth skill set is automation or robotics process automation. IT automation skills, that is, skills related to automating digital processes and workflows. People with such skill sets can help organizations to improve productivity as well as increase employee satisfaction, which makes it one of the most sought after career options. Before we end, I would like to mention that formal education is most important, but skill-based education is the need of the hour. Earlier, there were limited career options, but today the options are limitless for students. What's important is that you should understand your key strengths and take up a profession which you like, as that's what defines the thin line between career and a job. Good luck, and feel free to write to us at cloveracademy@cloverinfotech.com in case you need any guidance.